Hello, woof, woof. My name is Tosha and I am the only dog on YouTube doing motorhome and campervan presentations. I am also the best looking dog with the sexiest voice on the internet. Today we have this vehicle which is the Concorde Centurion. The Centurion is available on the Iveco Daily, Attigo or Actros chassis, and in this presentation we are just going to look at the Actros version. You will also find on this YouTube channel a video on the Iveco Daily version. There are 5 variants of the Centurion on the Actros chassis with varying lengths and equipment levels, but the standard engine is 6-cylinder, 10.7 liter giving 290 kilowatts, 394 horsepower. Remember that vehicles like this are largely built to order so that you can configure it more or less any way you wish, within reason. The variants of this vehicle are from around 10 meters to 12 meters in length, and all but the smallest can have a slide out. The largest, the Centurion 1204 GST, can have a garage for a Fiat 500. The least expensive variant costs €531,000 and the longest, most expensive, is €670,000. Remember that this is the base price, and the motorhome could end up costing a lot more money. Let's have a look at some layouts. Here we have what is called a bar layout. It has a forward-facing chair with a table. The chair has a seat belt for when the vehicle is in motion, but it rotates to allow you to stroke your dog when she or he is sitting in the gangway of the motorhome. On the other side of the motorhome there is a couch. You can see how the slide out extends to allow your dog more room to sprawl out on the floor when she or he elects not to lie on the couch. In this version we have sofas on either side of the motorhome in what is sometimes called the lounge or the face-to-face configuration. Concorde uses solid therm cabin construction, completely bonded, with high-density polyurethane rigid foam strips as well as the sidewall insulation with 38 mm strong polystyrene rigid foam. The underbody and double floors are manufactured in a sandwich design and equipped with a total of 70 mm of insulation. Side coverings, bumpers and front and rear sections are also made of stable yet elastic fiberglass composite material. The high gloss and level wall surfaces made of aluminum composite make for a high-quality automobile appearance. The aluminum roof profile strips with the rainwater channels reduce the collection of dirt on the side walls. The company offers a 10-year water ingress guarantee provided that an annual check is carried out. An aluminum frame in the Centurion's double floor ensures a stable basement construction by connecting the auxiliary frame with the living room floor, creating a solid box. This construction means that furniture and wall constructions should remain firmly connected in the long run. The slide-out places special requirements on the living room floor which are fulfilled by 2 elements. The heavy-duty aluminum AlucoBond composite panel for motorhomes with a slide-out is situated under the living room floor covering and is designed to withstand the stresses of frequent use of the slide-out technology. The Amterco design floor in the living room features a thick wear layer with abrasion resistance. The individually adhered straps and joints create a durable connection with the AlucoBond. The bathroom's heavy-duty aluminum floor, flatly bonded, with the Onyx Bianco color scheme offers slip resistance. Newly developed measures for engine sound insulation are made up of several modules for engine encapsulation. Silent blocks decouple the platform from the chassis. The engine is equipped with a damping package for the living room floor in the side walls as well as the original Actros noise encapsulation package. With a new frame construction, great emphasis was placed on the airborne sound insulation of the engine compartment. The heating circuit of the Mercedes Actros is integrated into the Centurion heating system. The vehicle air blower keeps the windscreen free of condensation even when it is parked. The hybrid heater is controlled by 4 electric room thermostats and 3 electric units for controlling the floor temperature. The Centurion is equipped with a 5.5 kW gas heater and a 5 kW diesel heater. The heaters can be used together or separately. There is a 360-degree camera system that was also integrated into the rear of the motorhome and gives the driver an overview of what is happening. The central locking system is controlled by the ignition key. The seating group has flexible elements designed to support the back. The company claims that this promotes a better sitting posture whilst you are sitting in front of the television, double tasking, by stroking your dog at the same time. In the kitchen we find one of these silly drop-down coffee machines which make awful coffee. There is a double sink, big fridge, oven and a gastro tap. The standard power package is based on a 24 volts electrical system. Compared to a 12 volts system, the 220 amp alternator delivers twice the energy into the 24 volt, 180 ampere hour lithium battery via the 30 amp charge booster. The sinus inverter with mains power compensator ensures a 230 volt peak output of 7000 watts with a rated output of 3500 watt hours. This can be further expanded if you wish. My owner has done a video walkthrough of this motorhome and there will be a link below if you are interested. If you like this video and benefit from it, you might want to give me some support on Patreon. As I am a dog, I am not allowed to have a Patreon account but my owner has one and the link is below. However, please remember to write and tell him that this is for Tusha. Otherwise he will probably just keep it all for himself and not use it for your intention, which is to buy premium dog food for me. Woof, woof.